As you see here, this is the video show us all label of components that should be installed in the indoor unit. You see here, you see this is the second one, this indoor control panel. As you see, this is the control panel of whole indoor unit. You see there is no 21 GQ1, there is not. Yeah, I can move here around here. As you see, this is the BP1, the transducer, and those are the transducer. There is not a 21 GQ1 here. There is not. The next one is there. The next one is there. The next one is here. There is not. You see, there is not. You see, MTAF1. You see the lever, and we come here. This is the whole machine. This is the whole machine. This is the whole machine. Internal parts. You see, there is not. Guys, as I've shown here, this is the open machine. This is the whole machine in the unit open. Get, that is not. Okay.